Procrastination is the arrogant assumption that God owes you another chance to do tomorrow when He gave you a chance to do today.
Time today, you'll get tired of my voice. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
I'm gonna tell you,
I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too.
These for the love of...
There is nothing that will. Everyone's always like,
I gotta create something today. All right, so you decided 2025 is the year that you're gonna become a content creator. I love this for you, friend. But if I may give you a few hard truths and advice about this lifestyle, I think it's really gonna change the game for you. Number one, you cannot stay hidden any longer. Be okay with letting people see you. I know that might seem like an obvious thing to say, but so many people have a fear of being seen. You can't stay hidden any longer, okay? Get used to it. Get used to your face being on the internet. Trust me, after you post your first few videos, it'll be like second nature to you. If you're afraid to be seen trying, I need you to just get over it, okay? I know easier said than done, but the creators that I love the most are the creators who shared their entire journey of building up their social media platform. I just think it makes for such an interesting story to post the entire journey instead of just posting the wins. Watching people build something great is so cool. A lot of you guys have been here with me since the beginning, before I was even ever consistent on YouTube, and some of you are just joining me now, but answer down below, would my content be as interesting if I only showed the wins in life and not the struggle that it took to get there? So don't be afraid of letting people see you build something great. All right, second thing, you have to get on a schedule, okay? Whatever that looks like for you, however it fits in your lifestyle is however it fits in your lifestyle. If you have 3 kids and you can only post on YouTube once per week, then that's what you can do. That's what you can stay consistent in, and that's what your audience can expect from you. Now, I would recommend posting at least 1 time per week to improve your odds of showing up in the homepage. But if you have more time to dedicate to it, 2 times per week, 3 times per week, which I think 3 times per week is a lot for YouTube. Hey, if you can do more, do more. If you can do less, do less, but at least make it 1 time per week. But we both know you're not being consistent. I'm not about to sit here and act like you are. You want to be a content creator, but you don't want to post. How's that work? So be okay with being seen and get on a content schedule. Next thing I want you to do is reframe your mindset around content creation. The best piece of content creation advice that I've ever received in my life is that you have to make it fit your life. Don't move your life around for the content. Does that make sense? For instance, in my intro, when I went to go make Ava some pancakes, I just filmed what I was doing, albeit in a cinematic way, and I put it in the intro. But I just filmed it because it's something that I was already doing. Just film what you are doing and do a voiceover, do a text overlay, but make it fit your lifestyle. Don't move your life around for the content, because if you do that, you will not be consistent. It's going to feel like another job. Although it is a job, when you're first starting out, I think the smartest way to approach it is just to make it fit your lifestyle. And using your phone is 100% fine. Get a cheap phone tripod from Amazon. Get a little hard drive so you don't take up all of your storage space in your phone. Keep them organized so you can reuse that content. And get used to being filmed all the time. That tripod and your phone camera should be your best friend. But you have to put in the reps so it starts to feel like your new normal. And I promise you, when you get into editing and putting all your content together, you're gonna have so much fun that you're gonna want to film everything that you're doing. It seriously like becomes an addiction, but like one that makes you money, which is the best kind. One question I get a lot is, how do you push past not getting any views, not getting any likes? And this is what I always say. You don't want a whole bunch of views and likes when you're first starting out, okay? Because your first few videos are probably not gonna be that good. I don't know about you, but I don't want 5 million eyes on my first YouTube video. Give yourself the space to be new. Give yourself the space to grow and get better at something. By the way, who cares how long it takes? That is irrelevant. What if I told you it took me 5 years to get monetized on YouTube? Would you still start? Would you still create? You might not want to hear this, but it's going to take however long it's going to take. Most people quit right before they go viral. Let it be a surprise to you, because if you knew how long that this journey was going to take, you probably wouldn't even start. That is such a silly mindset though, because the time is going to pass anyway. So you're either going to be where you want to be, or you're going to be here thinking about how you should have started once you get there. Because let's be real, if you knew you were going to succeed, if you posted every day for over a year, this journey wouldn't really seem that exhausting, would it? Your problem is you're always operating out of fear of failure. But what you're failing to realize is that failure is actually not real. Just life lessons so we can do better the next time. All right, last thing I want you to remember is done is better than perfect. Too often we think that every single piece of content that we put out has to be the best piece of content. And is that realistic? No, it is not. If you've ever spent hours at your computer trying to make the piece of video that you're editing just the most perfect piece of content, and even after you edit it, you re-edit it because you saw something that someone else did that you want to put in your video because theirs went viral, it's a trap. And it is a loop that will just never ever end. You just got to pick up your camera, friend. Just pick it up. Press record, come back to your computer, edit it, make it as great as you can, and then go create another piece of content and do the same thing. Figure out a new transition, maybe a new CapCut effect. Put that on your video, pick up your camera again, and do the same thing. Put in the reps. I promise you it pays off. The last thing I want to say is you've got to stop caring so much. Imagine finding that one thing that makes you super happy to be alive. But imagine getting to the end of your life and the only thing you're wondering is what would have happened if you would have picked up that camera. What memories would you have to pass on? What kind of business could you have built? Would you have made it big as a content creator? You'll never know. Because here's the truth. With relentless consistency and tapping into that, that high vibrational flow state that we get in when we're being super creative, success isn't just possible, it's inevitable. When will it happen for you? I don't know. Who cares? Just know that it's going to happen. But if you never start, it never will. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.